Alright guys, let's talk about the fourth step in making your lawn a masterpiece. The fourth step is mowing. Yep, mowing. Mowing plays a major role in your lawn reaching its full potential. It's not just cutting the grass or cutting it as low as you can. Absolutely not. Common sense would take you a really long way in mowing. So here are a few tips to consider. Number one, a general rule of thumb is to never mow more than 1/3 of the grass blade on each lawn mowing. But when you get started, like this time of the year, and the cold weather is out of the way, you can cut your warm season grasses down a little bit lower. This allows for more direct sunlight to hit the soil surface, which in return heats it up, and then in return allows your grass to green up a little quicker. Number two, keep a good set of balanced, sharp blades on your mower. This prevents an uneven cut on the lawn, and by having these sharp blades prevents you from tearing the grass blade as opposed to a smooth cut. Number three, don't bag your clippings. See it all the time. Grass clippings are full of nutrients, and your lawn can reuse those nutrients if you leave them on the lawn. The only time you'd want to bag your clippings at all is if the excess clippings build up so much that they can smother out your turf grass. Number four, the last thing, change your mowing directions each cutting. By alternating mowing directions, this will reduce noticeable tracks in the lawn and will reduce compaction. And compaction is no good for the lawn. It chokes out the roots of your turf grass and can be detrimental to the lawn. Guys, mowing is critical to your lawn's overall success. And that's why it's definitely in the top 5 steps to making your lawn a masterpiece.